On %POS, customizing button layouts is essential for users. Copying and pasting buttons is a great way to customize your layout. It will take the button and its function and move it to your liking. To edit your buttons, head over to the System Settings, Setup, then Button Editor. Let's make some space here. Hold Ctrl and select some buttons. This will highlight them. Then press the Delete button on your keyboard, the one below Insert. Now, holding the Control button, select the buttons you'd like to copy. To copy, you can right-click or press Ctrl-C. To paste, you can right-click or press Ctrl-V. Notice that the buttons are placed above the current buttons. Navigate the positions with the arrow keys on your keyboard. Use the copy and paste functions when customizing layouts on %POS.